is Liz Mullen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make baked chicken with mojo. The first thing I'm going to do is clean my chicken. I washed it with a little bit of bleach because since I'm laying my chicken inside the sink, I like to wash the sink with bleach and water and clean everything out because it's very sanitary and you don't want to get anybody sick. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open the bag of chicken up. This whole chicken usually has a lot of stuff in there. I like to clean my chicken a lot. Some people don't do that. They leave the tail, the back over here of the chicken. I cut that off. I don't eat it. If you like, you can go ahead and keep it on. If you were roasting or putting it in a certain pan, you can tie this like this and you can actually bake it like that. You know, I don't like to do that because I like to get all inside the crevices, and you'll see why in a minute. Inside the chicken, you'll find there's a bag of stuff. Just remove that. You don't want that in there. And open up the chicken real well and start to go ahead and wash out your chicken, because you'll see there's stuff in the back here you don't want in the chicken. And I don't know if you can see that thoroughly, but there's stuff in the back of the chicken. And we're going to begin to rinse off the chicken.